Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this get ready with me for you guys, and I show you how to achieve a really bold graphic eyeliner look and this soft wave in my hair. I just really love this entire look, and I wanted to base it more so around being Instagram ready, so kind of more of a bold look that maybe you wouldn't wear outside. I mean, you could definitely wear this out like in the nighttime if you wanted to, or even in the daytime if you want to. There's really no limit. A little bit different because I know that you guys have been wanting to see a couple of different looks. If you like videos like this, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also follow my Instagram, which is just Leyla, and let's get on into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is getting my hair out of my face. I personally like to do my makeup first normally, and then do my hair afterwards, just because yeah, I like my face looking nice and finished and then being able to focus on what hair look I'm gonna do. So I am just gonna be tying my hair up, putting some lip balm on, and getting started with this makeup look. So as always guys, I'm gonna be prepping my skin really well. Anytime I'm doing a full coverage look, or just to be honest ever applying foundation, it's really important to make sure that my skin is hydrated first. So I'm using my daily moisturizer that I use every single day, and then I'm going to be going in with some primer and eye cream. These ones are new from Shisedo. I think that's how you pronounce it. I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong. I particularly love the green primer that I'm applying onto the center parts of my face. It's basically like a mattifying primer that has like green tea in it. I think it's really nice, and it's very mattifying, and for someone like me who has oily skin, definitely appreciates a primer that actually mattifies and doesn't make your skin feel slippery. So I've been loving this. And next I'm going to be applying my foundation. Today I'm using the Lauder Double Wear. It's an oldie but a goodie. Every time I use this I'm like, yeah, I like this because it's a good full coverage matte foundation. You just know it's gonna last. So yeah, I really love this, and I actually spray my setting spray in between each section of my face because this foundation dries, and I don't want it to dry before I've finished blending in. I just feel like it looks a lot smoother that way, so I kind of like apply it, spray it, blend it in, and then do the next section. And that's personally how I like to apply foundations that dry quite quickly. Next I'm going to be taking the Born This Way concealer and applying it under my eyes. I really just want to create a nice flawless face because I'm going to be photographing this look. I want it to be full coverage and flawless, and the focus of this look is to more so look good in pictures. Not that this wouldn't look good in real life, but it's definitely more of a full coverage look, and this concealer is definitely more full coverage, so that's why I'm applying this concealer today. I made sure it was nice and blended in, and then was sure to kind of set everywhere before moving on. I did my eyebrows off camera, by the way, because I have been having so many issues with my eyebrows lately. You may have noticed that they've kind of like changed a little bit. I'm not really sure what's going on. It may be health related, but they've just been quite sparse. I did take the tail off so I can have a straighter brow, but aside from that I don't really know what's going on, so I'm trying to grow them out. I'm not really sure what's happening. So after I bronzed my skin, I did my eyebrows off camera because yeah, they've just been a pain lately. I am going to try and grow them out and try a few things, and I will definitely keep you guys updated. If I find anything really good or just a few tips, I'll definitely make a video on it. But yeah, aside from that, I bronzed and I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm just making sure that my eyes are set into place, like the concealer is set on my eyes, and I'm going straight into eyeliner for this look. I really wanted to create a nice graphic liner because I don't know, I wanted to do something different. I hear you guys are always saying your looks are more so like on the soft glam kind of look, more bronze normally. Like I want to kind of switch it up a little bit, and I decided to do a graphic liner. So as you can see, I just did a winged liner like normal, as I normally would, and then I connected at the bottom of the tail like a little ledge that almost went up, and then almost created a cut crease. As you can see, I started off very rough and then I perfected it a little bit more. I also kind of like thickened the line a little bit, made it look more defined, and yeah, I just wanted it to kind of stand out enough. And this look with lashes, so good, honestly. This is such a nice way to just switch up a normal eyeliner look. Also, just to add a little bit more of a pop of color, I could have applied black into the waterline and the bottom lash line. You can definitely do this if you want something that's a little bit more neutral, but I wanted to go for some color, and I used this bright electric blue pencil liner from NARS. I saw this pencil and I've just been wanting to use this for so long, and I'm obsessed. This looks so good with brown eyes. I was surprised how much it made it pop, especially in summer. sunlight, and yeah, I'm just obsessed. So this is definitely a cool way to switch up this look and make it even more bold and just different to something normal. I applied eyeliner into the inner corners just to create that cat eye effect. I think it just goes really well with this entire look. And I'm applying my mascara and lashes. When it comes to lashes, you don't have to go for anything as bold as mine. I went for these spiky full lashes from Tatti Lashes, and guys, I keep saying the word obsessed because I really am. I know that I'm gonna get comments on it saying you keep saying you're obsessed, but I literally am. This whole look is just everything. I love it so much. Honestly, I don't know what I would do without lashes. I feel like they just transform a look and enhance it so much. So I just love this. I actually decided to opt out from applying any mascara from the bottom lash line, but you can definitely do that if you want. And I'm taking this new cheek palette from NARS and I'm applying it onto the apples of my cheeks. Just some of the blush shades. They're quite natural and neutral for my skin tone, and I really love it. And I took some of the highlight shades and applied it onto the tops of my cheekbones. For my lips, I actually wanted to go for something quite simple. I didn't want to go for anything too over the top, just because I wanted the attention to be on the eyes. I went for this nude combo, just like a nude liquid lipstick and a nude liner, and I actually took this lip gloss from, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Patrick Tar. I think that's how he pronounced it. I actually have no idea. I'm so bad with pronouncing things. Anyway, I think that's just his name, Patrick Tar. I think that's his name. He has a like line of glossy, glowy products, and this is the lip gloss. And I'm gonna be doing my hair next. And I had stretched my hair out, which I've explained on my channel before. I have pretty curly hair. The top of my head was literally completely flat to my head. Stretch it as I sleep, and that's how I get my hair to be a little bit more manageable rather than just letting it air dry and becoming really curly. So I just sprayed and brushed through some heat protectant into my hair from Mark Hill, and I'm going to be using one of the new Mark Hill Pick and Mix wands. They just released 3. They released the Pick and Mix Drop Curl wand. They also released the extra long corkscrew, but today I'm going to be using the extra long jumbo. I'm so excited for this because it's just really big and it's good for creating loose waves, which is exactly what I want to go for this look. So I'm just sectioning my hair and pretty much just going to be wrapping my hair around this in fairly big sections. Because it's such a big barrel, you can get away with applying bigger sections than if it was a smaller barrel, and I kind of hold it on there for about 20, less than 20, like 15 to 20 seconds. You don't need to hold it on there for very long. Even that's a stretch, to be honest. And I'm always curling away from my face. I just want to go for just a really simple wave look with my hair parted down in the middle. And between each section, once I allow them to cool, I spray each section once they've cooled with the curl hold spray from Mark Hill. It's a really good lightweight curl holding hairspray, but it doesn't feel like heavy or sticky, which is really good. So I'm just literally going to do this around my whole head. It's very repetitive and very easy. Honestly, it looks super easy because it is. All you need to do is just be gentle with the curls. Don't brush them out as you are doing it. Kind of just let them sit and only touch them at the very end when they've cooled, and that way you get long lasting curls. So I'm just continuing with this process all over my head, always curling away from my face, going through each section and just creating these waves. It's very easy. Literally anybody can do it, and these ones make it so easy just to get like professional looking hair, because I'm not the best at hair, to be honest, and I always just get the best results. And the same goes for the front sections. I literally do the exact same thing, curling away from the face, and as you can see, I've parted in the middle and making sure to spray. Once everything has cooled, only then will I kind of zhuzh my hair around and kind of style it into place. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more get ready with me's when I'm kind of like doing different looks that are like more suited to Instagram. Like I know that some of you guys want to see looks that aren't so everyday kind of looks, or even going out looks that are more common. You want to see some here and there that are a little bit more out there. So definitely let me know if that's something that you want to see, and I can definitely do more get ready with me's with more colorful looks, or yeah, just more dramatic looks. And I just hope you enjoyed something a little bit different today. Let me know what you thought down below in the comments. I will see you guys very shortly in my next video, and I will see you then. Bye.